Good morning. Today's session we are going to see the math subject for grade 4. Previous session we discussed about the introduction of multiplication 4 digit by the single digit number. The last one is multiplication by using the expanded form. I hope everyone had understood the concept clearly. Good. Now we start to discuss the next topics are multiplication of a 4 digit by 2 digit number. Next one, multiplication of 3 digit number by a 3 digit number. Okay, first we have to see the multiplication of a 4 digit number by a 2 digit number. This is an example sum. Okay, before we are going to see the sums means the very important thing, it's a basic thing, you have to know the tables thoroughly. So 1, 2, 3 table, 2 table, 5 table, 5, 6 table, up to 9 of 12 means that is you have to thorough it fully. Okay, so that is a basic and important thing in the multiplication concept. Okay, you have to must read the tables thoroughly. Okay, we need the tables, then only we have to how solve that problem. Okay, solve the sums. Okay, now we move to the sums. See, I already told you if you see any number of digits means you should write the places. See here, ones, tens, 100, 1000. Okay, here also you should write ones, tens. Okay, see here. So you have to arrange these numbers in that column. 1000, 100, tens, ones. Here first one. First you have to arrange that multiplication. 4 in ones place, 4 in tens place, 8 in 100 place, 7 in 1000 place. Next multiplier. 2 in ones place, 3 in tens place. Okay. Here this is a process is multiplication into. So I told you in addition and subtraction you put the signs compulsory. Okay. The same in case here also you should follow that. Okay. Yeah, here in addition and subtraction and multiplication you should put that sign. Addition means is a plus sign, subtraction means is a minus sign, in multiplication means you have to into. Okay, into the multiplication sign. Okay, so now here you have to solve from in first you have to start the ones place. See here it is a 2 digit. Okay, multiply by 2 digit. First you have to take this first one. Okay, first you have to multiply the 4 into 2. 4 into 2 means it's a 8. Okay, again you have to multiply with 2 only. 4 into 2 again it is a 8. 8 into 2 is a 16. 6 you have to write it here. 1 is a carryover because after the 8 one number is there. So that's why 1 is considered as a carryover for that number. Okay, 7 into 2, it's a 14. 14 plus 1, it's a 15. So you have to write that 15 first. Okay, now we completed the ones digit. Next we move to the next digit. Okay, see here. First you have to start it here. 4 into 3, it's a 12. Okay, so in this step you have to listen carefully. Here no need to write it the 2 in ones place. You have to put in the tens place because in multiplier we have to proceed in the tens place. So you have to start it in tens place only. So 4 into 3 means 12. 2, 1 is a carryover. You have to keep it in tens place. Okay. 4 into 3. 4 into 3 means it's again 12. 12 plus 3, 12 plus 1 is a 13. Okay, 3 you have to write it here and 1 is a carryover. Okay, 8 into 3, it's a 24. 24 plus 1, 25. 5 is you have to write it here and 2 is one more carryover is here. Okay, 7 into 3, it's a 21. 21 plus 2 means it's a 23. So last you have to do the addition concept. Okay, addition concept. Here you have to do the addition. 8, you have to directly write 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 0, 1 is a carryover. 1 plus 6, it's a 7. 7 plus 3, it's a 10. 0, 1 is a carryover. 1 plus 5, 1 plus 5 is a 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. 1 is a carryover. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 3, it's a 5. Okay, 2. So the totally, this is the product. Okay, this is a product here. So here, this one is product. Okay, next one. This one is multiplication because it is a first number. Okay, multiplication. Second number we call it as a multiplier. Okay, so this is the terms in the multiplication process. Multiplication, multiplier, product. You have any doubts in the sums? Okay, first you have to proceed in first ones place in multiplier. After that you move to the tens place in multiplier. Okay, while you are multiplied in the tens place number in multiplier means there you have to take in the next. You have to put it in the tens place only. Okay, this is very important place. Okay, don't take it. Take and write the 2 in ones place itself. You have to slight move and start it in the tens place. Okay. So next we are going to see the one more examples in that concept. Okay, see here the previous sums we have to arrange the numbers in the column wise. Okay, this is the one type. Okay, next I am going to teach the another type. Okay, it is easy, which is easy for you, that you have to follow. Okay, listen. There you have to arrange the numbers in the column wise, but here you have to write the number. Okay, arrange the numbers in the row wise. Listen carefully. 7, 1, 2, 5 into and 15 directly. It's a horizontally you have to arrange the numbers. Okay, listen. Here first you have to these multiplication multiplied by what number in the multiplier. It's a ones place you have to proceed first, which means first you have to proceed this 7 into ones place. 7 into 1. What is the answer? 7 into 5. 7 into 5 is 35. 7 into 5 is a 35. You have to write 5 here and 3 is a carryover. Okay. Next, again 1 into 5. 1 into 5 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8. Next, 2 into 3. 2 into 5. 2 into 5 is 10. There is no carryover in 100 place. So you have to write 0 and 1 is a carryover. Okay. So 1000. So 1000, 5 into 5, it's a 25. 25 plus 1, it's a 26. Okay, you have to, first you have to multiply the multiplication in ones place number. After that, you have to use that next one. So, it's a tens place one is there. So, you have to start it next one. It's a 7 into 1. 7 into 1, it's a 7. Okay, you no need to write 7 here. That is a wrong one. In such case, you have to write it in the, leave the ones place and you have to write it in the next place. So 7. Okay, next 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 1, 2. Again 5 into 1, it's a 5. You have any doubts? Okay. Now I am going to proceed these numbers by addition. Okay. So here there is no number. So this is a star. So 5 you have to write directly. 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7 is 15. 1 is a carryover. 1 plus 1 is a 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. 2 plus 5 is a 7. So this is the answer. Not as the answer, it is a product. It is a product. So let's see here. This one is product. That first number. The first number is a multiplication. Here this one is a multiplier. Okay, so today we see that two method. Okay, one is then in horizontal column wise we have to arrange and do, see that multiplication. This one is a horizontal method which is easy for you, that you have to follow it. Okay, you have any doubts? Shall we move the next one? Yeah, next one is the multiplication of a 3-digit number by a 3-digit number. So this is the example for this concept. Say I already told you to write the places: ones, tens, 100, ones, tens, 100. So listen carefully. Five, 2, 5, 4, 2. This is a multiplication. So see here, first you have to complete here this one. What number in ones place, that you have to complete. So first 2 6 are 12. 2, 1 is a carryover. 4 into 6, it's a 24. 24 plus 1 is a 25. 5, 2 is a carryover. 5 into 6, 5 into 6 is 30. 30 plus 2 is a 32. Directly you can write, because after the 5 there is no number, you have to directly write. Okay, now we have to complete this one. Next we move to the next one. So first you have to start it here. 2 into 2, it's a 4. 4. In 4, where we have to write? Down of the 2 or down of the 5? Yes, very good. Down of the 5. Okay. What is answer? 2 into 2, it's a 4. Okay, next. 4 into 2. 4 into 2 means it's a 8. 8. 5 into 2, it's a 10. You have to write it here. Okay, next. So one more place is there. First you have to proceed that 2 into 1. 2 into 1. Here also you have to skip one places. Okay, 2 into 1, 2. 4 into 1, 4. 5 into 1, 5. Okay, 5 into 1, 5. So here what operation we are using here? Some add. Okay. 2, directly you can write. Okay. 5 plus 4, it's a 9. 2 plus 8, it's a 10. 10 plus 2, it's 12. Okay. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 1 plus 5, it's a 6. So the answer is 68,292. Yeah, so this is the answer. Okay, so here that answer we call it as a product. That first number we call it as a multiplication. The second one is a multiplier. Okay, you have any doubts in this? Shall we see the one more example? Yeah. Yeah, now we have to do it in the horizontal wise. Okay, horizontal wise means, listen, you have to arrange the number in the horizontal. We have to do it in the horizontal one. Okay, now we see one more time. I do it. Yeah. So here I am going to proceed the horizontal way. Okay. So see here, ones, tens, 100, ones, tens, 100. Okay. 100, ones, tens, 100. Okay. Listen, arrange the numbers in that wise. Ones, tens, 100. See here. First you have to proceed this number. Sorry. See here, arrange the number 291303. Okay, listen. So first you have to proceed this one. 2 into 3, 6. 3, 9 into 3, 27. 7. 2 is a carryover. 1 into 3. 3 plus 2 is a 5. Okay. Completed means strike out. Next we move to this one. 2 into 0, 0. Skip the places. Okay. 9 into 0, 0. 1 into 0, it's a 0. Okay. So this one we completed means strike this. Next one. 2 into 3 is 6. Skip the places. 9 into 3 it's 7, 27. 1 into 3 it's 3, it's a 7, 5. So the answer is 6, 7, 5 plus 6, 11. 1 is a carryover. 1 plus 7 is 8, 5. So this is the answer. Okay. So see here, this one is product. This one is multiplier. Next one is this one, multiplicatant. What is it? Multiplicatant. Okay, this is the one of the method. So which is easy for you, that you have to follow it. Okay. So now we come to the end of the session with the quick recaps. Listen carefully. So today we see that multiplication 4 digit by 2 digit and multiplication of 3 digit by the 3 digit. Okay, this is the way. Okay, you have to arrange the numbers in column wise. First you have to proceed that first one. After that you have to, while you move to the next number, means here what you have to skip the places. The answer is a product, multiplier, multiplicator. Okay, in multiplier we have the 2 digit or 3 digit, means while you have to work out the answer, that time you have to skip the places. Okay, skip the places. So this is also one of the examples in the same one. It's a horizontal method which is easy for you, that you have to follow it. Okay, in multiplier we move to the second digit, means we have to skip the places. That is very important. Okay, that is very important. You have any doubts? Yeah. Next is the 3 digit by 3 digit number. Okay, so there you have to see. First you have to move to the second digit, means skip the places. Third digit means again you have to skip the places. Here you have to use the addition process. Any doubts you have? Yeah. So this is the horizontal way. First you have to, once you completed means strike out, move to the next one. That one you completed means strike out. Next you have to move. While you moving this one, you have to skip the places also. You have any doubts? Thank you.